Hello everyone, let's cook some Rajma today. Rajma is a quite famous Indian food. This is made of beans. So let's go. First we are going to prepare some 2 cups of red kidney beans. Actually, I've never knew this name red kidney beans, but this is quite famous, and in India everyone call it Rajma. And we just put it for 2 cups maybe. My wife is not measuring anything, but it looks like two cups to me. In India, it's quite common to keep the beans and everything in this kind of plastic bottle, so that it keeps away from insects and keep dry. Now we're gonna add some potato, and we're gonna cut it into big 4 pieces and wash it quite slightly. And after washing, we're going to soak this into water for 1 whole night. This is to make all the beans and the potato absorb all the water and make it soft and make it easy to cook. So we are going to soak this into this pressure cooker, but it can be in any other thing. But please don't forget to put in some salt. 1 teaspoon or teaspoon is nice. We are going to soak it into hot water because it's going to be a little bit easier for the water to soak into all these beans and potatoes. So let's just put a lid and wait for 1 night. And next, one more thing we have to prepare is the tomatoes. Prepare for 3 tomatoes, and let's get these tomatoes minced. We're going to use a simple machine here, but if you don't have this kind of machine, you can just chop the tomatoes into small pieces. This is the machine we bought in India, and it's quite helping all our kitchen work because we just pull the string for several times, and now all the tomato is going into paste. So actually this is quite an incredible machine. I recommend everyone to buy this and use this in the kitchen. These are the 3 blades that are cutting all the tomatoes. Anyways, the tomato is done, so let's just keep this guy in a cup. And next we have to prepare for the onions. Let's use 2 pieces of onion and also add half bowl of garlic. We have to rip all the peels nicely, and once again we're going to use this mincher. We're going to put all the onion and garlic, and once again we're going to pull these strings several times, and now it's getting a nice minch. Great machine. I love this machine. So everybody, all the onion and the tomato is ready. We're just going to keep this for 1 night. Now everybody, this is morning. I'm just opening the pressure cooker, and all the rajma and potato is looking quite nice. It's absorbing all this water. So what I'm gonna do from now is add the water in the pressure cooker and some salt, and I want to cook this and heat it up with this pressure cooker. The best softness comes after around 3 whistles. So let's see how it's become. So this is after 3 whistles. Look at all these rajma and potatoes. It's looking gorgeous, amazing. I want to eat this already. So from now, let's see what other ingredients we are going to add.
This is sugar.
This is onion,
Onion and garlic maybe?
gochujang,
Gochujang
bay leaf and red chili,
and red chili.
tomato.
Tomato.
This is 2 onion, this is 3 tomato.
Okay.
This is haldi, Korean turmeric.
Turmeric.
This is rajma masala.
Rajma masala.
This is garam masala.
Yes, this spicy one.
This is the salt.
Yeah.
This is the sakura sushi vinegar.
Sushi vinegar.
Yeah, so this is the one which I am using in all my food. So
Yeah.
no specific, you can use any vinegar. This is the soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Kikkoman.
Any soy sauce is okay.
Yeah.
And this is the
Rice wine.
rice wine.
Okay.
And a little bit of sugar also.
And sugar. Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the ingredients on the
Okay, let's see.
First, we're going to put the oil in the pan and let's heat it up for some while. Now in the oil, I have added bay leaf and red chili, and this is jeera. This is the nice Indian spice which is used in many meals. And let's heat up these guys until the red chili gets a little bit into dark colors. I think here the red chilies, you can see the red chili getting into a little bit darker color. And now she remembered to add black pepper, so now she's adding some black pepper. And here comes the onion and the garlic. Now we are going to cook this onion and garlic until the color changes into a little bit golden color. And I think it's gonna take maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to play in high speed. And after the onion gets a little bit into dark color, let's add the tomato paste here. And after adding the tomato, we have to cook this for a little bit and make all the ingredients get mixed. And after this, it's gonna be a little bit busy. So first, let's see. This is salt. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt. And here comes the turmeric. I have ruined some meals with adding too much turmeric, so be careful not to add too much. And this is Rajma masala. This is the nice masala used for Rajma. This creates quite nice taste. And this is garam masala. This is a little bit spicy, but it creates quite nice taste and smell. I love this. Here we're gonna add some sugar, maybe 2 teaspoons. It's fine. And here comes the gochujang. Gochujang is a completely Korean food. This is a little bit chili, and it includes so many nice vegetables and so many nice spice. So I love this Korean taste. And here comes the Japanese vinegar. These are vinegars usually used for sushi, to make sushi. So it goes well with the fish usually, but still it goes well with any kind of food. So let's add vinegar. And also here comes the soy sauce, maybe 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. This is gonna create quite a nice a little bit salty smell, but I love this. And this is the sweet rice wine from Japan. This is to make all the food mild, but please remember that all these Japanese tastes are completely optional. You can just make it in without these actually. So after mixing all these, just burn it quite nicely. And after burning for some while, the color changes into a little bit more darker color. So let's see. And now we are going to add Ajinomoto umami powder. This is a Japanese food, but everyone in the world loves this. This is some kind of glutamine powder and makes all the meal mild and a little bit sweet and making quite nice taste. So now we're going to put the lid and wait for a while, and look at this. After cooking for some while, the color has completely changed into dark brown color. Actually, I was coughing because all these nice spices are getting heated up and coming into my lung, so my throat was feeling a little bit itchy. And after adding all these and cooking for some while, let's add a little bit of potato starch. This is the potato powder made from potato to make the soup a little bit thick, and the taste gets a little bit sweet. So actually I love to put in this powder into any kind of curry or soup or anything. So now you can see the soup getting a little bit thick. Now this is completed. Let's see the taste.
This?
This is called papad, my Indian
Papad.
dish. It's like this. Some masala and some dal.
Dal.
I'm gonna bake this. You can fry also, deep fry, but I'm doing the baking. See, baking with my hands, like this. You can play with fire, like this.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm joking. Don't play with fire.
Okay.
You can burn yourself. So I'm gonna bake this. You don't have to burn. See, it's done.
OMG. Oh, it's getting crispy, no?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Another one in process. You have to take care that it doesn't burn. Like this.
OMG. Incredible.